Hey everyone, it's Jennifer Nicole Lee, and look who I'm here with, celebrity makeup artist extraordinaire. Drop your name.
Okay, right guys, so my name is Madelis, or you guys can call me aka Mai for short.
My, as in my makeup, and it's going to be lights, camera, action for you. You do not want to miss it. I got 3 words for you. No, that was 2, no 3, okay. Power Model Factory. I'm here representing my business partner and fellow co-founder, Taryn, Shea, and I. We have an amazing workshop celebrating this artist. She is not only an instructor, she also hosts master classes, so you don't want to miss it. She's bringing her and her army of how many makeup artists?
7.
7? Oh my gosh. 7. So it's not one lady going around to like 10 people. Space is limited. It's going fast. Get tickets at powermodelfactory.com. Anything you want to say? You got 10 seconds.
One more time. Powermodelfactory.com.
Powermodelfactory.com. And we'll see you there. Bye, guys. Ciao.